Welcome back. Today we are looking at the Lab Microscope Accessories for Phone PCB Soldering Repair Review 2026. In the fast-paced world of electronics repair, precision is everything. Whether you're a professional technician, a hobbyist, or a lab engineer, having the right microscope setup can make all the difference. The Lab Microscope Accessories for Phone PCB Soldering Repair Lab Industrial 7x45x Simul Focal Trinocular Stereo Microscope with a 4K 2K camera is engineered to provide unmatched clarity, versatility, and functionality. Check the video description for the updated price link. It's an ideal solution for close-up work on phone PCBs, small components, and intricate industrial tasks, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. This microscope bundle comes with a range of features designed to meet professional and industrial standards. Trinocular Stereo Design allows simultaneous observation and camera capture, making it perfect for documentation and live streaming tasks. High-resolution imaging equipped with a 13MP HDMI, VGA, and USB camera capable of 4K and 1080p recording for crystal-clear visuals. Magnification adjustable 7x to 45x optical zoom offers detailed views for PCB soldering, laboratory research, and industrial inspection. Simul focal lenses eliminates the need to refocus when changing magnifications, saving time during critical tasks. Durable build industrial-grade materials ensure stability and longevity, suitable for daily lab and workshop use. Versatile connectivity HDMI, VGA, and USB outputs make it compatible with computers, monitors, and recording devices. Adjustable stand and illumination built-in lighting ensures even illumination, reducing eye strain and enhancing precision. The performance of this microscope is outstanding in both lab and industrial environments. With its high-magnification stereo lenses and simultaneous focal adjustment, users can inspect and repair PCBs, electronic components, and miniature mechanical assemblies with precision. The integrated camera system captures ultra-clear 4K and 2K images, which is ideal for creating detailed reports, tutorials, or real-time troubleshooting sessions. Professionals in repair labs or electronics workshops will find the visual clarity, color accuracy, and stability extremely reliable for intricate tasks. The microscope stand and lighting system are fully adjustable, enabling precise positioning and consistent illumination. This reduces shadows and glare, enhancing visibility for small-scale repairs. The HDMI, VGA, and USB outputs are plug-and-play, allowing instant connectivity to monitors, projectors, and recording devices without additional drivers or complex installation. Additionally, the industrial build ensures durability, so frequent use in a lab or repair shop does not compromise performance. Yes, while it offers professional-grade features, beginners can also use it for small repairs and educational purposes. The main consideration is familiarizing yourself with setup and magnification adjustments. Absolutely. The trinocular head allows live observation while the 13MP camera records high-resolution images or 4K 1080p videos. The HDMI, VGA, and USB connections are compatible with most modern monitors, laptops, and recording devices, providing flexibility for lab setups and presentations. The microscope comes with built-in adjustable illumination, ensuring bright and clear visuals for all magnifications. Constructed with industrial-grade materials, the microscope is robust and designed for daily lab and workshop use. It withstands regular handling and maintains optical alignment over time. In summary, this Lab Microscope Accessories for Phone PCB Soldering Repair is an essential tool for professionals, hobbyists, and educators alike. It combines high-resolution imaging, wide magnification, and industrial durability into one versatile package. Its ability to capture, record, and stream live sessions makes it a powerful addition to any lab or workshop. Whether you are repairing electronic components, conducting research, or creating tutorials, this microscope provides exceptional performance and reliability. Check the link in the description to get yours today.